Our planet is called the Blue Planet. Do you know why? It's a name that captures the essence of our world, a world dominated by vast, shimmering bodies of water. It is because of the vast oceans that cover most of Earth's surface. The ocean is huge. In fact, it covers about 71% of the Earth's surface, making it the largest habitat on our planet. It is a place of wonder and mystery. Beneath the waves lies a world teeming with life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforest of the sea, are bustling with vibrant colors and diverse species. It is home to an amazing variety of creatures. The ocean is deep, really deep. Some parts of the ocean are so deep that they remain unexplored, hiding secrets that scientists are only beginning to uncover. It goes down so far that we have only explored a tiny part of it. Imagine a tall mountain. Now imagine that mountain going down below the surface of the water. The deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench, is over 36,000 feet deep, deeper than the Mount Everest is tall. Now imagine that mountain going down below the surface of the water. The ocean floor is a landscape of towering mountains, deep valleys and vast plains, all hidden beneath the waves. That's how deep the ocean is. The pressure at these depths is immense and the environment is dark and cold, yet life still thrives there. We often talk about different layers of the ocean. Each layer has its own unique characteristics and inhabitants. Each layer is like a different world. From the sunlit surface waters to the pitch-black depths, the ocean is a series of distinct environments, each with its own challenges and wonders. They have their own unique creatures and conditions. In the deepest layers, you'll find creatures that produce their own light, known as bioluminescence, a fascinating adaptation to the darkness. Let's dive in and explore these layers. Each descent into the ocean is like a journey to another world, revealing new and exciting discoveries. Join me on this exciting journey as we travel down into the depths of our very own planet. Together we'll uncover the secrets of the ocean and marvel at the incredible life that calls it home. The first layer of the ocean is the sunlight zone. This zone goes down to about 200 meters. As the name suggests, this zone gets a lot of sunlight. This means plants can grow here. The sunlight zone is teeming with life. It is home to many of the sea creatures we know and love. Colorful fish, playful dolphins, and giant whales all call this zone home. They depend on the sunlight for energy. Many seabirds, like gulls and pelicans, also hunt for food in the sunlight zone. They dive down from the sky to catch fish and squid. The sunlight zone is a busy and vibrant part of the ocean. As we go deeper, we reach the twilight zone. This zone is from 200 to 1,000 meters below the surface. Less sunlight reaches here. It looks like twilight even during the day. Animals in the twilight zone have adapted to the darkness. Some have large eyes to see in the dim light. Others create their own light through a process called bioluminescence. Have you ever seen a firefly? Some sea creatures can glow just like that. They use their light to attract mates or confuse predators. This zone is home to strange and wonderful creatures like lanternfish, swordfish, and many types of jellyfish. Next is the midnight zone, which is from 1,000 to 4,000 meters deep. Here, there is no sunlight at all. It is completely dark. The water is very cold and the pressure is immense. The creatures that live here have adapted to this harsh environment. Many are blind or have very small eyes. They have developed unique ways to find food and survive. Some animals in this zone, like the anglerfish, have special adaptations to attract prey. They have a lure that dangles in front of their mouths. This lure glows in the dark and attracts curious fish, which the anglerfish then catches. Section 5. Abyssal zone, life in the abyss are pelagic. Even deeper, from 4,000 to 6,000 meters, lies the abyssal zone. This part of the ocean is one of the least explored and most mysterious regions on our planet. The pressure here is immense, reaching up to 600 times the pressure at sea level. The temperature hovers just above freezing, creating an environment that seems inhospitable to life. This zone is like a desert on land. The landscape is barren and desolate, with vast stretches of empty ocean floor. There are no plants, and the terrain is often covered in a fine layer of sediment that has settled over millennia. It is very cold, dark, and there is very little food. The only light comes from bioluminescent organisms, which create their own light through chemical reactions. These tiny sparks of light are often the only illumination in this pitch-black world. Despite the harsh conditions, life finds a way in the abyssal zone. Unique and often bizarre creatures have adapted to survive here. These organisms have evolved to withstand the crushing pressure and the scarcity of food. Creatures here grow slowly and live a long time. The slow pace of life is a survival strategy, conserving energy in an environment where food is scarce. Some of these animals can live for decades or even centuries. They have adapted to survive on the small amount of food that falls from the layers above. This food, known as marine snow, consists of tiny particles of organic material that drift down from the upper layers of the ocean. Sea cucumbers crawl along the ocean floor, scavenging for food. These slow-moving creatures play a crucial role in the deep-sea ecosystem by recycling nutrients and breaking down detritus. Deep-sea corals grow slowly, providing shelter for other animals. These corals can form complex structures that offer a habitat for a variety of marine life, creating small oases of biodiversity in the otherwise barren landscape. The abyssal zone reminds us that life is resilient and can exist even in the most extreme environments. The adaptations of these creatures are a testament to the incredible diversity and tenacity of life on Earth. Despite the challenges, life in the abyssopelagic zone continues to thrive, revealing the wonders of our planet's deep-sea frontier. Section 6. The Trenches, exploring the hadalpelagic zone. The deepest parts of the ocean are the trenches. They are like deep canyons on the ocean floor. The deepest of them all is the Mariana Trench. The hadalpelagic zone, named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld, represents the deepest parts of the ocean, below 6,000 meters. This zone is characterized by extreme pressure, low temperatures, and perpetual darkness. Despite the challenging conditions, life persists in the hadalpelagic zone. Scientists have discovered unique organisms, including amphipods, which are crustaceans that resemble large fleas, and xenophyrophores, giant single-celled organisms that are among the largest known. Section 7. The Mariana Trench, journey to the deepest point. The Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean. It is about 11 kilometers deep. That is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The pressure at the bottom of the trench is immense. Very few people have ever been to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. It is a dangerous and difficult journey. Special submersibles are needed to withstand the pressure. In 2012, filmmaker James Cameron made a solo dive to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. He was the third person ever to do so. His expedition provided valuable information about this extreme environment. Section 8. Challenges and importance of deep ocean exploration. Exploring the deep ocean is not easy. The deep ocean, which constitutes over 95% of the Earth's living space, remains one of the least explored frontiers. The challenges are immense and multifaceted. It is dark, cold, and the pressure is very high. The deeper you go, the more intense these conditions become. The lack of sunlight means that temperatures can drop to near freezing, and the pressure can be over 1,000 times greater than at the surface. We need special equipment and submersibles to go to these depths. These advanced machines are designed to withstand the crushing pressures and frigid temperatures of the deep ocean. They are equipped with high-tech instruments that allow scientists to navigate and study these extreme environments. These machines can withstand the pressure and allow us to see and study the deep sea. They are our eyes and hands in the deep, enabling us to capture images, collect samples, and conduct experiments in places that are otherwise inaccessible. Despite the challenges, it is important to explore the deep ocean. This exploration helps us uncover the mysteries of the deep, revealing new species and ecosystems that thrive in these harsh conditions. It helps us understand our planet better. By studying the deep ocean, we gain insights into Earth's history, climate, and geological processes. This knowledge is crucial for understanding how our planet works and how it has evolved over millions of years. We can learn about the creatures that live there, the resources that exist, and the unique adaptations that allow life to survive in such extreme conditions. These discoveries can lead to new technologies and medical advancements, and how our actions affect this fragile environment. Human activities such as pollution and deep-sea mining can have devastating impacts on these delicate ecosystems. Understanding these effects is essential for developing strategies to protect and preserve the deep ocean. Scientists use remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, to explore the deep ocean. These sophisticated robots are equipped with cameras, lights, and various sensors that allow them to operate in the harsh conditions of the deep sea. These underwater robots are controlled from a ship on the surface. Scientists can maneuver them with precision, allowing for detailed exploration and data collection. They have cameras, lights, and robotic arms that allow scientists to observe and collect samples from the deep sea. These samples provide invaluable information about the biology, chemistry, and geology of the deep ocean, helping us to unlock its secrets and better understand our world. Section 9. The deep ocean, a vital part of our planet. The deep ocean may seem far away from our everyday lives. However, it plays a crucial role in the health of our planet. The ocean helps regulate our climate. It provides us with food and oxygen. We need to protect our oceans from pollution, overfishing, and climate change. By learning more about the deep ocean, we can better understand how to protect it. The deep ocean is a vast and mysterious realm. It is a place of wonder and discovery. By exploring and understanding this incredible part of our planet, we can learn to appreciate and protect it for generations to come.